That's wrong.
So we're moving on. Let's talk about our compensation plan.
Okay, now I want you to think about this. Okay, watch it. People talk about, somebody asked me about somebody else's comp plan, another company, good company, but there's no comparison. Let me tell you some significant points of differential of what we're doing. Only one in the world that pays instantly. I mean, come on, that speaks for itself. That doesn't require a lot of explanation. We have one of the highest payouts in the whole industry. Right now, we're at 56% of revenue we pay back to the field. These other companies pay out 50% of revenue, which is not even the same thing as volume. So we pay out on average about 20+% higher than the average comp plan. 20% of revenue higher. That is significant. Our monthly qualifier is one of the lowest in the industry, at $35. Other companies, $125, $300. We have a global marketplace. Other companies, you can only build in a few countries, etc. I mean, come on. Hawaii incentive twice a year. So these are just some very high-level overview bullet points, which makes our comp plan, in my humble opinion, the best one out there. The best. I'll put the math up against anybody. Mm-hmm. You know, these other companies that say that, well, you know, we got this, we got that. No. What they try to do respectfully is they try to fool you with gimmicks, math. They try to set these big checks at the end that nobody ever hits. So it's one of these things that looks good that nobody ever gets paid on. We put out more commission checks. The barriers are so low because here's the philosophy. What gets rewarded gets repeated. So I just wanted to touch on that really, really, really quickly. Be proud that you're in a company that is out helping those people. We're not a greedy company like some of the others. Just flat out commissions being paid back to the field at a very fast pace at a very high rate.